My future plan, doctor. In the future, I want to become a doctor because I want to help people and take care of them. I think being a doctor is a very important and meaningful job. To achieve my dream, I am going to study hard, especially science, biology, and English. I will try to get good grades and learn more about health and medicine. I also want to become a kind, patient, and responsible person. I know that becoming a doctor is not easy, and I will I will have to work very hard. However, I will never give up on my dream. In the future, I hope to work in a good hospital and help many sick people. I will be very happy if I can make people's lives better. My future plan. Teacher. In the future, I want to become a teacher. I love learning new things and I really enjoy helping other people. I think teaching is an interesting and meaningful job because teachers can help students learn and become better. I am going to study hard and improve my English every day. I also want to learn how to communicate well with children. In the future, I hope to become a friendly, patient, and helpful teacher. I want to make my lessons interesting and fun so that my students will enjoy learning English. I know that being a good teacher is not easy, but I will try my best. I hope I can help my students achieve their dreams in the future. My future plan, artist. In the future, I want to become an artist because I love drawing and creating beautiful pictures. Drawing is one of my favorite activities, and I often draw pictures in my free time. I am going to practice drawing every day and learn more about colors, shapes, and different kinds of art. I want to draw pictures about nature, people, animals, and everyday life. I also hope to create my own style and share my pictures with other people. One day, I would like to have my own art studio where I can work and create new pictures. I know I need to work hard to achieve my dream, but I will always follow my passion. I hope I can become a successful artist in the future.